Hi guys, today I'll be telling you the secret behind the secret. So, focus on the things which you want to achieve in your life, not on what do you don't want. Only focus on that things you want to achieve, not on the things. Don't waste your time thinking about negative things. Always try to think positive. Remember the law of attraction. It's the ability to attract into your life whatever you are focusing on. So the things which you are focusing, that will be attracted towards you. That's the law of attraction. And this is a law. So this is scientifically proven. Gravity is scientifically proven. It's always attract. Same, it's a law. And we are getting that what we are feeling, not what we are thinking. So you are getting all the things which you are feeling from your uh, heart, from your soul, not from what you are thinking. Like thinking comes from anywhere, but from your thinking feelings arise. So always try to think positive. Only your thoughts and your feelings create your life. I'll tell you about the creative process. So the creative process have three things. Like you have to, first is the ask. You have to ask yourself what do you want to become in your life, what do you want to achieve, what your goals are. You have to ask. You have to visualize the things. You have to then believe on that you can achieve it, and you are the person who are at the same level. You have to visualize things on daily basis, believe on the unseen. And third step will be you will be start receiving it, and gradually you will be start receiving it. You will be the things which you are visualizing will be start attracting towards you. That's what law of attraction helps in the creative process. And try to unfold your life. You have our life has been folded into multiple times. We have to just unfold it. For example, if I want to travel from Noida to Agra at night after 10, so there are no lights at the Taj Express highway. So what I'll be doing is I'll be riding by looking only 200-meter far from the headlights of my car, and I'll be riding my car looking only 200 meters ahead, and I'll be managed to travel 150 kilometers from there by unfolding the roads for myself. So this is how you have to unfold your life, by taking small steps. Make a vision board or keep some pictures you want to achieve in your life. So draw some pictures, you can even paint it, or you can search it from Google. So have those pictures, you have to visualize them, you have to keep those pictures nearby, so that you will always be focused on the particular things. So that focus will attract these things as per the law of attraction. You will you are the uh, you become the solution of you. Only you are the one who are the solution of you. No one else can help you. No one else can even make you happier. Only you are the one who can control to create yourself, your happiness. Your joy lies within you, and you have to treat yourself the same way which you want to be treated by others. So you have to treat yourself as the same way. And if you are in a problem in your relation, take a paper and write all things that you appreciate about that uh, person for 30 consecutive days, and you will find that the problems will be fade away from your life. So try to figure out what things you are liking about your partner, what things you will appreciate about your partners, or try find out positive things if from the negativities of others. So you will be getting um, Yeah, the problems will be fade away. So this is all what I have learned from the secret. So this is the secret. Try to implement it. Thank you.